Xbox One controller. So to get these covers off the side, I just literally used a knife, put it in here, opened up the gap and prized it off. You could also put a knife in here to help start the gap. Once you get a little gap here, clips off. Then I found this little hex screw thing here, got it, and removed the screws. There was one there, one there. Obviously the same on the other side. These are the screws, can you see those? Tiny little things. And then there was a hidden one here under the sticker. So I just got a knife, cut out the hole and removed the sticker. So then it should come apart, see?